In this video, we're going to unbox the Rode PodMic. Hey guys, it's Jeff here once again and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my unboxing experience and first impression of this mic with you based on 5 key things. The packaging, build quality, look, price, and the thing that I wish it has. Now very quickly, I'm not an audio engineer. This is coming from someone that's a digital marketer, entrepreneur, and I want to start my podcasting. And also, unfortunately, I won't be able to test the sound quality right now because I'm still waiting for my audio interface, believe it or not. But I promise you, that'll be coming soon once I unbox this, my other equipment, and I will create my ultimate podcasting setup. So now, let's get into it. Alright, so number 1, the packaging. From the outside, it looks really nice, really high quality packaging. Rode put a lot of effort into making this simple, yet it looks so amazing. It's very detailed, lots of features, and right away you can tell that this is a really good company that's able to create this type of marketing on the packaging. I'm in the marketing field, so I pay attention to this. And this is, by the way, a PodMic, a dynamic podcasting microphone. Now, a quick backstory. I was specifically looking for a dynamic podcasting mic, which PodMic is one of them. There is another one, which is a condenser mic. I was watching this video from Tom Bach, which I'm going to leave a link down below so you can also watch it, which really convinced me to get this mic. Now, a dynamic mic is something that you want to use for podcasting and or streaming. Now, you want to use it in places where it's not really properly sound treated. I work in the basement of my house, and so I know that this place is not sound treated. Now, a dynamic mic is a type of mic that will try to pick up the closest audio signal to it and try to eliminate the other sound from the surrounding area. Whereas a condenser mic is something that you maybe want to use for maybe music production, where you're trying to pick up as many sound signal as possible from different musical instruments. Having said that, I also have my favorite unboxing knife here. Just gonna cut that. Okay, and it looks like we'll just have to slide this out. There's the box. This is the real box, and it looks like there's no tape here for some reason. So I'm just gonna quickly open this from here. And right away you can see that there is a PodMic quick start guide here. Looks like there's a top cover here that we just have to pull out. And for some reason I'm seeing there's a plastic cover covering the mic here, and it looks like it's a little damaged for some reason. I'm gonna assume that this is from the transportation, but I really hope that Rode could have given us a nicer packaging, maybe not plastic, something like an organic material just to cover this. Maybe I want to take this with me and I want to put it in a bag, and so I wish that they've given us that. So that is the plastic, just removing this, and this is the mic, guys. All right, so let's talk about build quality, guys. So right off the bat, this thing is heavy. It feels very strong and sturdy. It feels really robust. And I actually have a scale here, which I want to use to weigh this thing. And right now I'm reading 881 grams, which I find really interesting because if you check the Rode website, it's showing 937 grams. So maybe Rode can give us an idea what's going on with the discrepancy. Maybe my scale is broken, who knows? All right, moving on. This mic is also a full metal body. Everything here that you can see is metal. And of course, except for this one, it says QA passed again. Oh, and the other thing that I like about this mic is that it has an integrated pop filter, which, you know, like those big dome thing that goes on top of the mic. You can add it if you want, but again, it already has something inside that does the work, so it basically removes the plosives. So when you say like the p, yeah, you don't really hear that. So again, we'll be doing some testing with my next video once I have all my equipment. So make sure you stay tuned for that, okay? Oh, and the other cool thing about this mic is that it has this Y mount here, which actually has 2 threads available. So that means you can attach a boom arm or a mic stand that has either a 3/8 or a 5/8 thread. So I think that's pretty neat. Number 3, the looks. I mean, look at this. It's just beautiful, it's stunning, it looks gorgeous. I mean, it's just like that thing that makes you look like a pro. I love the Rode logo on this side and on this side. Now let's talk about pricing, which is the number 4. And this guy here is $100 US. Or $129 if you are in Canada. I am in Canada, and a big shout out to Canadians out there. And I think that this is worth the price. If not, it's actually a steal. But for some of you might say, hey Jeff, I think that's too expensive, which you might be right. I mean, you can find some other mics that are cheaper on Amazon or other places. But for me, I really want to find a mic that looks really good, strong, robust, and something that I can grow my channel with. And to be honest, I think the $100 US is actually really amazing because initially I wanted to get the Shure SM7B, and that is like the standard when it comes to podcasting and streaming. However, their price is about $400 US or maybe 519 Canadian dollars, and I don't have the budget for that if I'm just starting. And for number 5, what I wish this mic has, I don't know if it's possible, but I really wish that this one has a USB port here where I can just easily connect a USB cable directly to my computer so I can just start podcasting and start learning and start creating. But no, I have to wait until I have my audio interface, and that's why I keep emphasizing, and unfortunately I cannot test the sound quality yet. And I really promise that I'm gonna create that for you soon. And one more thing, not with this mic, but with the packaging, I really wish that Rode used a different material to cover this mic because it looked cheap when I saw that the plastic cover was broken. I really wish that they could have just used a different material that looks like a reusable bag. So if I want to go to different places and do collaboration with other creators and entrepreneurs, I want to just like, put it in a bag and, just go with it. With that plastic, that will just go to waste, But I guess the question now is, would I recommend this mic or not? I mean, with the 5 key things that I mentioned earlier, plus the additional features it has, minus the sound quality check, you know what? I can honestly say that I recommend this mic so far. So far, because I still have to do the sound quality check. Make sure to watch out for that next video. Might be up here somewhere once it's ready. And if you found some value from this video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification button so you won't miss any of my newest videos. And make sure to watch my next video. I'm gonna unbox my boom arm, and I think it's gonna be over here. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Keep creating. Cheers. And again, minus the audio quality check and the US